Hello everyone. Today we are starting the properties of rational numbers and irrational number together. First of all, I think you know what is the definition of rational number and irrational number. Rational number is any number which can be written in the form of p by q, and irrational number which cannot be written in the form of p by q. And in root, I told you also that how to find whether it is a rational or irrational. Up to 10 we have done. We are repeating the same thing that we have done in live class. Okay. So root up to root 10 I am doing it. Root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9, root 10. Beta in under root if you are getting an exact value, root 1 exact value is 1. Root 2 we don't know exact value. Root 3 don't know. Root 4 2. Root 5 we don't know. Root 6, root 7, root 8, root 9 is 3. Root 10 we don't know. So whose exact value we are getting, that are rational, R represents for rational numbers. 2 is rational, that is root 4 is rational, root 9 is also rational, except all these numbers are irrational numbers. Root 2, root 3, root 5, root 6, root 7, root 8, root 10. These all values are called irrational numbers. Okay, so first thing, what is the property of rational number and irrational number? What it says? It says that whenever there is a rational number and irrational number, and if they are in addition, so what we can say about the whole number? So the whole complete number will show the property of irrational number. Irrational number. What it says, when there is a rational number, R represents for rational number. When there is a rational number and in that rational number we are adding some irrational number, then that whole will become an irrational number. Same holds for subtraction also. If rational number is subtracted by irrational number or irrational number is subtracted from the rational number, both vice versa of it, then it will also be an irrational number. Same applies for multiplication as well as for divide also. When there is irrational number and rational number both are multiplied, answer will be what? Irrational number. If rational number is divided by irrational number or irrational number is divided by rational number, in both the cases the answer will be irrational number. Okay, like few examples I am giving it to you. Like if I am having 5 plus root 2 and I am asking classify whether it is rational or irrational. So tell me 5. 5 is which type of number it is? Rational number? Yes, 5 upon 1 it is rational, and root 2 is irrational. So rational plus irrational, what it becomes? Irrational. So what you can say about this number? This number is an irrational number. Okay. Now question come like this also. 5 root 2 minus root 2. But whenever you are getting this kind of question, first of all try to solve it or simplify it. So can you solve or simplify it? Can you see anything? Yes. What we can see, plus root 2 and minus root 2 we can cut. This is your first question. This is your second question. Okay. Root 2 minus root 2 cut. So what we are getting? 5. And 5 is rational or irrational? Yes, it is a rational number. Understood? So whenever you have, they are asking classify as rational or irrational, first thing is you have to simplify. After simplification only you will go to further what type you have to take. Okay, so based on it, I think it is very easy. You can see in the book also, that is question number first. All 4 parts are easy. First of all, you have to see, you have to first simplify them. After that you will start. Okay, beta, in the 8th class also we have done the value of pi we have used to find the area of circle. Okay. So pi, this is a symbol pi, okay, and the value of pi you are using, that is 22 upon 7 or 3.14, okay. So these 3 things are different. Actually 22 upon 7 and 3.14, you can see that these numbers are rational numbers. Why these are rational numbers? Because you can see that this is 22 upon 7 written in the form of p by q, and 3.14 is terminating decimal. So they both will be rational number. But pi, where the symbol pi is written, this pi is always an irrational number. So the question is how it can be possible. So here the answer is 22.7 and 3.14 both values are approx value of pi that we are using for calculation. These both values are approximately value of pi. Okay, so and pi, the actual value of pi is always a non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, and we know that non-terminating, non-repeating decimal, non-terminating and non-repeating decimal is always what? Yes, it is an irrational number. So pi is, when we are asking only about the pi, pi is an irrational number, but 22.7 and 3.14 are rational because these are the approximate value of pi which we are using for calculations. So beta, after this, like in the question also, first question, fifth part is that they are asking 2 pi. So you know that 2 pi can be written as 2 into pi. 2 is a rational number and pi is a rational number. Rational multiplied by irrational, you can see what it is. It is an irrational number. So same it is, you can see from the book also question number first, all parts you can do yourself. Okay. We will come to question number second, that is simplify each of the following expression. Exercise 1.5. Yes, question number second, simplification we have to do. First part and fourth part I am doing, second and third you will try yourself. So see what it is. You can see that 3 plus root 3, rational plus irrational is multiplied by rational plus irrational number. Okay, so how you will do? The first number will get multiplied by both the numbers of next bracket. That is, you can see this will be 3 into 2 plus 3 into root 2. Is done. Now first is done. Now we will come to the second number. Second number will be multiplied by first number and then second number also. Okay, so this will be root 3 into 2 plus root 3 into root 2. Just solve it. 3 2 ja 6 plus 3 into root 2. 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 3 into root 2. That will be root 6. So this is your answer for it. You can rearrange also, or you can write like this itself, that is 6 plus 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 plus root 6. Many students get confused that ma'am, we cannot add these. Okay, so can you see beta that here they are like or not? Like root 2 is here and root 3 is here. Both are same or different? Yes, they are different. So we cannot add both of them. So this is your answer. This is for simplification. This is your answer. Now the thing is, you can check in the question that this 3 plus root 3 and 2 plus root 2. Can we put any identity on it? If I am writing it as A and this as B, so A plus B, and this is what? C plus D. So there is no identity like this. So we are not supposed to use any identity. No use of identity over here. So we have done by direct method. Now fourth part you can check it. Like if it is, you are assuming as A. So this is A minus B. And what about this? If this is A, so this will also be A plus B. So can you see that this is identity? Okay. So using identity. What is the identity? A minus B into A plus B. That is A square minus B square. You have done in 8th class. So this identity we will use over here. So that will be, what is your A? A is root 5. So root 5 ka square minus root 2 ka square. Okay. So root 5 ka square. Root 5 square means root 5 into root 5 2 times minus root 2 into root 2 2 times. You can solve root 5 into 5, 25 minus 2 into 2, 4. That will be 5 minus 2 and that is 3. So this is your answer. There is one shortcut to solve this and that is root 5 square. Okay, whenever there is square and root both together, you can cut both of them, your answer will be 5 itself. So you can go from this to this step also. Okay, like if we are having root 3 ka square. On this we are having square. So square and under root cut and that will be your answer will be 3. Root 2 ka square. This is the shortcut. Okay. Root 2 ka square will be 2 itself. Okay. So beta, yes, exercise 1.5 question number first and second we have done. That is your homework for today. You have to solve question number first and question number second in your notebook. Till then, thank you.